Hello everybody, this is Shireen Akhtaruhi and today I'm going to explain the method of triangulation that I have used in my research report. So to start with, let us see what is triangulation. According to Dozen 1978, the logic of triangulation is based on the premise that no single method ever adequately solves the problem of rival causal factors. Because each method reveals different aspects of empirical reality, multiple methods of observation must be employed. Secondly, according to Scu 2009, also defines triangulation as using multiple sources of data, data collection methods or both, and multiple investigators to collect data. Now that we know what triangulation is, let us see the types of triangulation that is existing. According to Dozen, there are 5 types of triangulation. First of all, data triangulation. Second, investigator triangulation. Third, theoretical triangulation. Fourth, methodological triangulation. And lastly, environmental triangulation. So in my research report, I have used methodological triangulation. Methodological triangulation is a summary of a collection of multiple data from different surveys, questionnaires, interviews. Also, the secondary data is collected from journals, ebooks, articles, newspaper articles, and so on. And both of these primary and secondary data are later on compared and contrasted to find out a single result by comparing and analyzing both the data. So moving forward, let us look at the advantages and disadvantages of triangulation. Now triangulation does have a lot of advantages, but we also should not avoid the disadvantages that it has. Let me start with the advantages. When triangulation, we use different sets of data from different references and resources, which means that it builds up more confidence of the research report. It also gives us an area to innovate and find unique findings and also have challenging and integrating theories. Since different research reports have different authors, so different authors have different views, which makes the report very relatable and very easy to very easy to understand. Also, as I said, due to triangulation, since we are comparing both the sets of data, this gives a clearer understanding of the whole research report and also helps in easily finding and going to a result. But even after all the advantages, triangulation does have few advantages. To start with, realism. Since triangulation can be called a little biased, as in triangulation one has to select a topic and then supporting citations and resources are found to support their hypothesis. But in reality, it may not be the case. In reality, the same topic may have a pro and a con to it. Apart from that, the data is the data collected in triangulation is actually treated as equivalent. That means a data collected from interview is seen to be equivalent as the data collected from a survey. Not to mention that triangulation can be quite time consuming, as we need to dig in to find the highlights from the primary data and then from the secondary data, and to find both the datas that should come to a matching point, which can cause a lot of loss of time. And moreover, due to various citation and various resources,